Okay, I'll be doing many more videos on how to repair appliances. So subscribe. Hit the like button if you like the videos. And comment good or bad. Also, if I use a part to repair the appliances, I'll put a link in the description so you can buy from this channel. Let's get started. We have a Whirlpool Cabrio, model number WGD8000DW3, a Whirlpool Cabrio. Problem with this dryer is it starts and stops within a second. You can hear it start and just stop. So I took it apart. I did a direct motor to plug, and the motor is good. It's spinning, you can hear it, so it's obviously a problem with the board or something. So I'm going to check the board. Here's the board here. It looks great on this side.
Board.
Really clean board. On the other side, oh, what do we see? Do we see a burn mark? Oh, that probably is your problem there. So you have a couple of options. You can, if you have the technical skill, you can put a new relay on there, or you can buy another board. Those are your two options, and that more than likely is your problem. No, you have a third option where you can buy it, send it to a person on eBay that can fix it, and you should mail it to them. They fix it, and you'll get it back repaired. So I'm showing you the front and the back of the board. That blue relay is what need to be replaced there. So you can actually have it fixed on eBay, a company. Okay, I'll be doing many more how-to step-by-step videos on how to repair appliances. So hit the like button, comment, good or bad, subscribe to the station so you can see these videos. And if I am using a part to repair the appliance, a link will be in the description so you can buy from this channel. Have a good one.